Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bybit with VPN, right? So let me show you. If you're using Bybit, it's very easy, right? You can just open it over your desktop, over your phone, wherever, right? So of course, first of all, you have to log in to open Bybit, right? But the best VPN I can suggest to you, that is pretty best one, right? And let me show you how to do it. Here you can see best VPN for Bybit in this year, 2024. Here you can, these are the three Nord VPN and Surfshark and Atlas VPN, right? So basically Nord VPN, it is pretty expensive, and yeah, I'm not going to sell you any product here, right? So don't worry, I'm going to suggest you some of the best you can see. But yeah, Nord VPN is pretty good because here you can see that it gives you a 30-day free trial, super fast speed, and servers in 60 plus countries. There is a no restriction, no log policy, nothing, right? So it's pretty good double VPN. It's provide you a layer of security. I mean, all the VPN provide you a layer of security whenever you want to access Bybit, right? So it's very easy, guys. Here you can see, like for example, if I just go to the Surfshark, it is pretty better one as compared to NordVPN, right? It also gives you, but the best thing is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, right? So if you have this, it's pretty easy. If you're using Bybit over your phone, here you can see that this all these VPN is accessible over your phone, right? But by the way, if you don't want to purchase all this VPN, you can just go, let me show you free VPN. I'll show you. It's very easy. So here, if you're using it over your desktop, right, for example, it's a Chrome, you can download a Chrome extension. You can see these are the free VPN. I use it personally, and it's pretty good for me, right? But if you're using if you want free VPN over, for example, smartphone, right? And let me show you. Okay, so here it is. So the best free VPN in this year, you can see that these are the notes, but not because you can say these are the ads basically. But yeah, some of the VPN here which you can access, and it's pretty free. It doesn't it doesn't take your data and sell it, right? So it's pretty safe for us, right? And how to use VPN, of course, you can just turn on the VPN, and after that, once you turn on the VPN, it's very easy. You will able to access it's exactly similar. There is no change over the desktop or nothing, so it's pretty easy to do it. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video.